Hi, I'm Jim Scheer. I'm the course designer for the online Music 101 course, and I've also helped write the textbook, Music 101, that you'll be using this semester. I want to give you a brief video introduction to the website, just show you around, let you know what to expect for the semester. Most everything you need is over here in this left-hand menu, in particular the modules. That's where almost all of your work is going to come from for the semester. You've got a video you're watching right now. Get started. There is a course syllabus here, and it has the class schedule with the calendar and the Canvas calendar. It all plugs in automatically and tells you what to do. If you'd like a printer-friendly version, here's the same material split up into two parts, the class syllabus and the class schedule. There's an announcement that hopefully you've read already that tells you how to get access to the ebook. I'll talk more about that in a minute. That same material is here as well. Over the course of the semester, you're going to have a series of reading and listening assignments, and then you'll be asked to do homework. How to use the modules is a document right here, and a more specific document about exactly what we're expecting out of the video and audio requirements and the essays. That's all right there. We'll be using Rhapsody to access your listening music if you have the ebook online. If you have the regular paperback book, you'll have a 4 CD set. It's mostly the same material. There are a couple of minor variations. I'll take you through all of that as well. So to get access to the ebook, again, you can click here or in the announcements. Once you get in there, it's going to show you a link to Great Rivers Technology. That's the online web part of Kindle Hunt Publishing Company. It will take you to a website that looks just like this. This is the website that you'll use to log in to the book all semester. You'll use your login here just like this. The first time you go through this process here, you see Purchase Access Code. You click on that, and it takes you to pick an institution. You go down and pick New Mexico State University, which would be in the ends, Dr. Scheer. There it is. And then you select an online publication. That's Music 101. You search for it. And right now it says there's no records to display, but it'll be up by the time you see this video. And you'll click on that. You go through the purchase process. That gives you a code. You go back to that login page, log in, and you're set. Once you've logged in, you'll see this page right here. Again, New Mexico State University, Music 101. It's a little tricky. You see the little arrow there? That's what you need to actually get into the website. This calendar here we won't be using because we'll use the Canvas calendar. So mostly you're going to use this for ebook access, and that's about it. Click on the arrow, and it takes you to the page that is for the book. You have a number of different activities. There's some chapter activities here that are duplicated in Canvas. You have a nice glossary here that's the same glossary that's in the book, but it's searchable, which is kind of cool. Most of what you're going to need is right here, the ebook. Click on the ebook, takes you to the book. This has a lot of nice features in it, in that you have the glossary, you've got the contents, the index, and all of that is active links. So you can go into the index, search for somebody you're looking for, some composer, some work, click on it, it'll take you right to it. You can page through the book, or you can just type in a specific page. 235 is a random page I don't know. Let's see what comes up. Hey, look at that. Edward Elgar, Gustav Holst, Rachmaninoff. Rachmaninoff, one of the most awesome Russian composers over here. Holst, you know, if you've ever seen the Star Wars movies, John Williams wrote that soundtrack. He stole everything from Gustav Holst and the Planet, so pretty cool. You'll see dig deepers throughout the book. Wherever appropriate, these will have active links. So you go through the whole book that way. There's a lot of nice tools up here. There's a highlighter. You can make notes. There's a lot of cool stuff. You guys know more about internet tech than I do. Check it out. It has a lot of cool stuff in it. That's how you use the ebook. We take you back to the website. The other important thing to know is if you're using the ebook, you'll need a Rhapsody access, and the code that you put in will automatically give you Rhapsody access for the semester. If you're using the regular paperback book, like I say, you'll have a 4 CD set. But if you happen to already have Rhapsody access on your own, you can use this as well. If you buy the paperback book, you won't automatically get Rhapsody access. With the Rhapsody access, there are a couple of tracks that are slightly different from, and I clicked on the wrong thing, I beg your pardon. Here's the Rhapsody access. When you use the ebook, you'll find that there are a couple of slight differences in tracks. We cleared the rights for the hard copy CDs, and Rhapsody doesn't have those same royalties. It's copyright stuff. Don't even worry about it. It's very similar listening material, but occasionally you'll have a slightly different track, and where there are slightly different tracks, I have written documentation here. Like this one, no recording of this is on Rhapsody, so I've substituted. It's the same kind of music. It's the same example. You'll get the same listening experience. It's just a slightly different track. All of the red chapters are active links. Click on them, and it dumps you right into Rhapsody. Here's the playlist. The player comes up over here. It's a very nifty tool. This is streaming, but it's not like Pandora or Slacker or some of the others where they play what they want you to hear. This is streaming on demand. And so when you click on this track, it plays that track. You can fast forward through it just like a CD or anything else, or your iPod. It works the same way. The really nice thing about using Rhapsody is that not only do you have access to these playlists, you have access to everything on Rhapsody for the entire semester. So if you hear a Beethoven symphony you really like, well, there's 72 more recordings of that same Beethoven symphony by different orchestras and different performers on Rhapsody. In addition, you have access to all the current popular music of the day. If you want to pay an extra fee, you can download. There's all kind of cool stuff you can do. It is a fantastic tool. Very addictive tool, but a fantastic tool. So that's Rhapsody, and again, the access is right here. We've got some PowerPoints for you can use. I gave you access to Pandora just because I think it's cool. emusic.com is a website I like a lot. Online writing tools. Writing about music is a little different. We give you some suggestions in these two documents, but these online writing tools takes you to a new page, gives you all kind of cool stuff. Welcome to the class. We're very glad to have you. If you have a problem, by all means contact your respective professor in the section you're taking. If you have a website problem and that's not getting solved, by all means feel free to contact me. My information is on here. My website's down here as well. Thank you for taking the class. Now go out and be the world's greatest music fans.